Hello, my name is David Bradley. I've been involved with Commodore computers since I was a teenager, which I dare say is a long time ago. I have a lot of stuff, and I'm going to start to sell things off. And one of the things I'm going to sell off sooner than later, I hope, is a Commodore 1084S monitor. Now, this monitor was made to be used, well, mostly with the AMIGA, and but it has on the back inputs to go with the Commodore 64, which is what I'm connected to it now. And I've written a little program to show you that indeed it is working, the colors are working, and it's lovely. And there it goes. So it has inputs for the AMIGA, and it'll work on a Commodore 64, Commodore 128, a Vic-20, probably, I'm sure, Commodore 16, a Commodore Plus 4. It might even have an input, and I'm not sure, I don't remember, if you had the Commodore PC variety of things. I believe it does. But regardless, it is working, it is happy. It is the little door that would go over the control panel here. From what I know, well, it's not on it. I think I do have it. When I got the monitor,
there's a lot of history in this. It's really.
Excuse me. When I got the monitor, it was kind of taped on. A lot of these doors, this is what happens. So anyway, I am offering this beautiful monitor up for sale, and I live in the Toronto area, and I'm sure we can work out a pickup, a drop-off, or something. Certainly, it's not that I have not shipped monitors before, but it's costly. They're big, they're heavy, take a lot of packing. But really, if you're, I'm in Ontario, but if you're in British Columbia and you're like, yes, that's the monitor for me, we'll work it out. But, shipping will cost more. Anyway, it's a beautiful monitor. It has sound, of course. It has the inputs on the back. Oh, illegal quantity are in 22. What did I do? Oh, well, sometimes, oh yeah, sometimes we make a mistake in our programming. Change the loop. Basically, all that this does is it prints, so it clears the screen, changes the characters to black, does a loop for I equals 1 to 255, and it goes 15, print, quote, AMIGA 1084S monitor, space, quote, semicolon, and then it pokes 53280, comma, I minus 1, and poke 53281, comma, I, which is why the screen changes its colors. And then there's a time delay between 1 and 250. I can change that so that it doesn't do it quite as often. And I can run it, and it's still going to change the colors, but it will change them slower. This is showing you, of course, that the colors are working. The monitor is working. I have torture tested it. The power switch lights up. Right there. And the power switch works. We can turn it off. And we can turn it on. Because oftentimes, on some of these old monitors, indeed, the power switch does get kind of wonky. But anyway, so here is the monitor. If you're interested, send me a message. I will first be advertising this on Kijiji and probably Facebook Marketplace. And they're great gaming monitors. Like, as I say, this is connected to a 64. They are wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful, glorious monitors. And let me know if you're interested. I'm David Bradley. I've been doing this a long time. And hope to see you again soon. And maybe this monitor will go home with you. Anyway, have a lovely day. And do check out my other listings, and also check out my YouTube channel called Dave Bradley 8-Bit Commodore Man. I have a few things, and that is an understatement. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day, and I hope you like the monitor, and maybe you'll be looking at it soon. Until we meet again, bye for now.